Hello everyone, today we will see object-oriented programming using C++ practical number 2, that is develop a program to implement one-dimensional array. So for one-dimensional array we can take user input also, or we can initialize the array in the program also. So we will see the first step to initialize the array into the program, and we will see how to print the array elements on the console screen. We have to take a new file, that is file new. Okay, so first we have to write a header files, hash include iostream.h, then hash include conio.h, then we have to take we will take integer main, then opening bracket and closing bracket. The structure is ready. Now we have to initialize one array. So first of all we have to take integer, we can call it as value array, and we have to mention the size of the array. So here I am mentioning the size of the array as 6, as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So we can store the 6 element into this array. So I initialize these array elements, and then what we have to do, we have to print this all the array elements. For that we have to use for loop. So we have to use for loop, and for loop we have to take a initialized one variable to initialize the for loop. So then clr for clearing the screen. Then we have to display this complete array. Before that I want to display one message. It is one dimensional array. In C++. Okay, so I am displaying one message as one dimensional array in C++. Why it is one dimensional? Because we are providing only one size in this array creation. We will see this 6 is the size of the array. So for printing this we have to use for loop, and we have to initialize the element as I is equal to 0, then I is less than 6. I put it as less than 6 because the for loop will start from 0, so the 0 to 5 we have to go, and the array index is also from 0 to length minus 1 or size minus 1. So it will start from 0 to end with 5. So I plus plus, open the bracket for loop, then print cout. I will print in some different format. For that I have to write position of the array, that is I. Also I have to print the value which is stored in that position. So I have to print value as and here we will print array from the I element. So in this program, so we will get the value from 0 to 5 index value of array, one dimensional array. So here completed our printing statement. Then we will go with the getCH statement to hold the console screen, and after that we will get we will return the value as 0. We are not calling this function from any other thing, so we don't have any value to return, so we are returning 0 as an integer value. Now we have to compile this code. So for compilation, go to the compile menu, compile, 0 error, 0 warnings, press enter, then go to the run menu and enter. So in this program we will see one dimensional array in C++, and then position 0, 5 value, position 1, 10 value, position 2, 15 value, position 3, 20 value, and position 4, 25, and position 5 as 30 value. So as in program we will see the values are stored in the size of 6 elements in the one dimensional array, and the 6 values are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So when we use array elements, so it stored on the some basic index values, and the index value starts from 0. So on 0 value, the value of on 0 index, the value of array is 5 stored on that index. So it will increase one by one, or we can call it as increment as 1. So when the first index value is 0, the next one is 1, the next one is 2, the next one is 3, the next one is 4, and the next one is 5. So that's why we can call it as the length of the array. Always we can go up to the length minus 1 index value. Means here a length is 6, and we are going up to the 5 element, okay, 5 index value. So that's why we are using this for loop from 0 to less than 6. Less than 6 means 5. Okay, so 0 to 5 we can repeat the for loop, or we can iterate the for loop, and we print the positions as well as the value of the array. Thank you.